which has the most suitable climate conditions for the cultivation of orchids. So orchids, you know that normally the hilly states, the hill regions are normally suitable for the cultivation of orchids, and so we already know the answer. Andhra Pradesh will not fall in this category. Madhya Pradesh will not be there. Uttar Pradesh will not be here. So the answer is Arunachal Pradesh. So this I have put just a nice picture of an orchid. So they need a temperature of 20 degrees Celsius and humidity of 80%. Rest of the states of the options which are given, they have a temperature range which is greater, or temperature that maximum temperature exceeds to a great extent. Then micro irrigation, these are again discussing, although not a part directly of geography, but these are important. So these questions should not be skipped. Then the micro irrigation fertilant, this is a relatively novel concept. So fertilizer nutrient loss can be reduced. It is the only means of irrigation in dryland farming. Dryland farming is basically farming where the crops are would depend upon the rainfall, but that rainfall is very less. So low the crops with low requirement of water, such as millet, jowar, bajra, ragi, they are preferred. But in no way we can say that it is the only means of irrigation. In some of areas of receding of groundwater, table can be checked. So obviously, micro irrigation is proper. It allows the optimum use of the water resources to irrigate the crops, and thus these will be the correct options. 1 and 3 desired. This is an example of drip irrigation, micro irrigation. Here you can see the water pipe is going there, but unlike the tube wells or the sprinklers, they are not wasting water. So directly here you can see the water, the optimum quantity of water is being spread or being distributed among the crops or the plants. So here I have given additional information. You can go through it.